to the other team, and then the other team does some internal passes. If you have watched volleyball, so the internal passes, and then they again pass it on to the other team, right? Now, how we are going to play it without the ball? Since it's since you don't know each other, everyone just introduces with their name, just name. Sachin. Everyone remember the name, okay? Sachin. Meenakshi. Anita. Ulka. Hina. Zubin. Warren. Dharmesh. Jyotsna. Juthika. Harsha. Neetu. Jaideep. Ryan. Sunika. Sunila. Sudesh. Uday. Mehernosh. Sachi. Renu. Wow, can you all remember all the names now? Yes. You need to remember the names, okay? Because what's going to happen is, I'm going to give you some time, but let me explain the rules of the game. You need to remember names of your team as well as the names of other people. Names of the people in the other team, okay? Now understand, now pay attention, okay? You need to know the rules of the game. What you do is, there is a virtual ball in your hand, okay? So when Sachin, because I remember his name, Sachin wants to, you elect a leader, so let's have Sachin as a captain and Renu as a captain in this team, okay? Sachin, you decide who serves, and when you serve, you give the name of the person, okay? So I say Uday or Siddesh. Okay, so I pass on to Siddesh. Now Siddesh receives the ball. Now he has to do 2 internal passes, minimum 2 internal passes. Okay. So you say.
So I will pick Uday.
So you have to point to the Uday.
So that's one part.
That's one pass, and then Uday passes to someone else. You may pass to Siddesh or someone else. Jaideep. So Jaideep. Now once the 2 passes are over, Jaideep passes to the other team. Okay. So Jutika, and then Jutika, you have to do 2 passes internally. So you pass to maybe Dharmesh, and then Dharmesh passes to Warren, and then once the 2 passes are over, you do what? You pass it over
with my name. Or anybody.
So the rule is, once you serve to the other team does 2 internal passes, and then again he goes to the other team. Okay? You do 2 internal passes, and if you do that, hello, attention please. Yeah. When you play, how you lose a point? If you do less than 2 passes or more than 2 passes internally, you lose a point, and then again the reserve happens. The next one. If you point a wrong person, if I say Siddesh, but Siddesh is this guy, you lose a point. And you just can't say, you can't just say, okay, Jutika, no, not that way. You have to actually pass the ball. There is a virtual ball, you need to pass it. If you don't pass the ball, you lose a point. Okay, you just can't point, and not this. This is not the way you pass a ball. Don't point fingers. Okay, don't point fingers. Okay, you have to actually pass the ball. Okay, it's like a virtual ball.
So you have to hold it and pass.
And this question is, how do you serve?
Volleyball is this.
Not like this.
Can I smash it?
Yeah, you can smash it. I mean, yeah, you can like
First I do a thing, then volley, and then smash.
Don't reach the guy. You can say.
That will be like single.
What happens if we can't take it?
Hey, he'll take it.
I'll take it.
He'll take it.
It's a virtual ball.
Okay, so let's do one. Guys, let's start. Let's do one round. Let's do one round, a demo round.
I have a question. Are we playing as individuals or are we
No,
playing
this is
as
a
a
team.
team?
This is a team.
So can we talk as a team and decide on something?
After only on during the timeout. Okay. Guys, one
Not now.
demo round. One demo round. Okay. Leader will decide who serves. Zubin. Hey. You just say who serves the ball. Warren serves. Warren, you have to serve here. Not
I thought you were serving the ball.
okay.
Siddesh. Warren.
One more round. Demo. Yeah, who wants to serve? Demo.
Anita. Warren.
Jyotsna.
Siddesh.
Anita. Sunita.
So that's 2 points.
Ball has to go on.
Internal.
Two zero. Hey, what's the name of your team? Just the name of your team. नहीं था ये.
Avengers.
Okay, Avengers 2. Okay, come on. Avengers. Who serves? Yeah, Satish sir. You can also serve, yeah. Wait, no, not necessarily. She decided.
Sachi serving.
Ulka.
Okay, there is 11-point game. Okay, it's a 11-point game.
11-point game.
Come on.
Sunila. Sunila serve. I think you can say
You started. You have to serve.
No. Siddesh.
Uday.
Thank you.
Hey, forget our name. Give them now.
Who serves?
Warren.
Warren serves.
Sunita.
JD.
Warren.
Hina. Okay. All our names.
Last point. Serve.
He's the alert.
Jubin. Serve.
No, yes.
Yeah, you.
He's the last point, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start again.
Yeah.
Who's serving? Sunila. Siddesh.
Zubin.
Ramesh.
Siddesh. Uday. Meher. Ulka.
Reserve quickly. Ulka. Ulka is serving.
Okay, I didn't know you had to serve.
Quick, last one. Ulka.
Come on.
Anita.
9.
Sunita.
In my seminar, and then I realized that in my seminars there are a lot of technical jargons, and which people find it very difficult to understand, remember. So, and in known groups, what you could do is you can have your trainer, your content. So if there are some definitions or whatever, you can change the names of the people. Okay, so you can, instead of Ulka, you can have something else. All right. So in my seminars, what I do is, there are technical jargons like, hammer, evening star and morning star. So people, name themselves as those jargons. So instead of their real name, and that brings more fun because you are all actually trying to remember what you have learned in the seminar, and then you're also trying to remember those terms which others have. What another twist you can give is you can ask your participants what did you like the most in this seminar, and they say I liked this, I liked
The ball should not be passed to the same person again and again, so
But
that
that's
everyone gets.
Yeah, but right.
Because the example
But
I
you know,
think
that's
so, I think so Sachin was there wherein he didn't receive any ball.
right. You know, again, I don't have any copyrights.
Right.
You can change the rules.
Flexi,
You know,
flexi.
you can. Yeah. But then people can have their own strategies. You know, you can always choose a bakra from the other team.
We already did that. We already did
That's how
that.
challengers, you know, got back in the game. Right. So I hope everyone enjoyed the game. Any more questions? I hope I have added to the time.
Yeah, absolutely. Bang on that.
All right.
Bang on that.
Thank you so much.